This is the model's hair before. Obviously, she has kind of very curly textured hair. So I want you guys to just look at the difference in the two. And I'm going to talk to you through how to get that real mirror shine. See how shiny it is and how glossy it is? It has a really, really nice shine and really nice gloss. So we're going to wet it down, and I'm going to show you my favorite product in the world. Dream Coat has been with me. It's my bad boy from day one. Use it on 99.9% of my clients. So we're going to spray it on the roots, and we're going to saturate the hair from root to tip. The reason I'm saturating it from root to tip is this stuff is as light as water. It doesn't make the hair greasy at all. You need to make sure the whole head of hair is covered. Then we're going to blow dry it in. It has to be activated on wet hair. You can't activate it on dry hair. And making sure that when I'm doing it, I'm just trying to really get the product dried into the hair. And I just want you guys to see how shiny this is. You guys see how glossy it is? I'm going to use these little water droplets. What will happen is it will just bead up and roll off. You see it just literally beads up on the hair and then just rolls off. You can actually shake the beads off. So this is making your hair water resistant. How does it feel?
Feels amazing. Never have I felt this hair like this before, so
silky.
Transformation for sure.
You look gorgeous.